Crafters, thanks for joining me here in the attic. So pull up a chair, grab your favorite beverage, and let's talk a little bit about the Fairy Wings and Forgotten Things collaboration coming up. Professor Fernscribe wanted me to come on and do a little bit of clarification because we've had some questions about the links for the daily hop for the scavenger hunt. There are a few ways you can do that. First of all, in the file where you got your game board and tokens, there is a PDF version of this calendar. If you download this calendar, you should be able to click on each one of these names and it take you directly to the link where they will be hosting their daily tokens and prompts. The second option is the Linktree option. Today over in my Facebook group, I did post the calendar. These links are not clickable. Facebook does not allow that. It is just an image of the calendar. So you've got the calendar here that you can see everything, but you can't click these links. Only the links are clickable on the PDF version that you get with the download of the game board. But over here, you've got the option to go to a Linktree. The confusion has come in where it says, join Fairy Things Daily Adventures on Linktree today. Do not click that. You do not have to sign up for a Linktree. You just want to X that out. All that is Linktree trying to get more people to make their own Linktrees. If you do not need a Linktree, there is no reason for you to know anything about that. All you need to do is close that out, and then you have your Linktree that you will follow for all 30 days. Again, you do not have to join this. You just want to, each day, click on that day's link, and it will take you directly to the social media location where they will be hosting their fairy tokens and their prompts for the day. Day 2 takes you to my page, Lottie's Magic Attic, where I will be hosting mine. And so forth and so on, all the way down to day 30. So again, ignore this part where it says join Fairy Things Daily Adventures. You do not have to do that. That is just an advertisement from Linktree and their way to try to get you to make a Linktree. But if you don't need one, there is no reason for you to do that. It is not something you have to do to follow these links. Hope that's a little bit clearer. The other thing I wanted to clear up is a lot of the files that you will get from myself and many other designers come in zipped formats. The zipped files often do not like to be unzipped on mobile type devices. Often you have to open an external browser on your mobile device to open these files. I have added the game board and tokens as just JPEG images now because several people had some trouble opening the zipped files. So for now, I have cleared that up and you should be able to go back and grab those images of the game board and tokens because they were the only zipped files in there. But for kits and stuff, it will be very helpful if you're going to be downloading kits from myself or any designer. A lot of times their files will be in zipped files, and that is because a lot of these files are very large and they need to be compressed to make them smaller and not take up so much storage space. So I hope that helps. But all the devices are a little different how you'll want to download those. So do a little bit of research on what your device is and the easiest way to unzip files on your particular device. I hope you're coming over and joining us for the Fairy Wings and Forgotten Things event coming up in September. Be on the lookout. I will have some videos coming up this week for some prep work that I'm going to be doing for the event. So be sure to hit that subscription button and the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I put up any new content, and come join us over in the Addicts Facebook group. I will have that link down in the description box. So until next time, y'all take care.